I bet with this video, you won't have to always trash this kind of sneakers when you have it. Hi, my name is Odurole Mojibola and I am your shoe making made easy tutor. I'm officially welcoming you to this class if you are joining for the first time, and if you are a returning subscriber, you are welcome. All we do at GBFM Forte is make shoe making easy for you, creating more job opportunity, increasing of course your income stream, and at the same time reducing your family expenses. So today you can see what I've transformed the sneakers into. I'm sure you want to see what this is going to look like. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like and share. Sit back. I am gonna be right there. You are welcome back. The first thing I'm going to be doing is place, of course, these baby boys sneakers, on an EVA foam. I'm actually using what we popularly call figure 8 here in Nigeria. I bought a pair for about 1,500 naira, which is actually about $1. I mean a pair, which is actually, suitable for actually what I am intending to do. So all I did was place it just as it is and outline it. Use my sandpaper to roughen the surface for proper adhesion. I hope you know that if you want two surfaces to properly bond together when it comes to shoemaking, you have to ensure that you roughen the surface and apply your contact cement as adhesive evenly. If you want to buy this online, it's actually contact cement adhesive. Of course, we have different brands, OC High, Top Bond. We have them in different category, V-Track. We have them in different brand rather here in Nigeria. So I'm going to take my time to lavish the contact cement adhesive on it. Yes, when I mean lavish, I don't mean that it's going to be, a lot on a particular side. No, it will be an even one, and then now it's dry. When it's dry, I'm going to place it on that surface. Now, like I said, I'm using an EVA foam sole. It's a textured one. The other side of it is textured, but this side is actually just plain this way. So as you can see, I'm trying to position it right there on top of my EVA foam sole. This is actually a sole because of the texture part that we have. You can see the second one too is of course dry. Now what do we do next? The next thing I'm going to be doing is welting. Now, I bought this strip of welt locally, of course, in the market as well. And then what I'm going to do is, I noticed the front part is not sticking well. That's why I'm using the shoe glue right there. I have trimmed out, my EVA foam with a little extension for my welting. Now, the welt I bought, I actually doubled it. I doubled it by actually, bonding it with 4mm EVA foam, just for it to be thick enough, to be able to cover up all of the edges of the sneakers that my, welt alone would not be able to cover. So I am making use of my shoe glue for this particular, placement of the welt. I know you can actually use your contact cement adhesive. Yes, you can use it. So make sure you are putting at the edges of the sneakers as well. Don't forget, we are actually revamping here, and this is all we need to do. Of course, I'm going to cut and try to position perfectly well at this point. After this, all I need to do is go to my grinding machine and actually smoothen all of the edges. And with that, of course, those other parts that we find out that is showing white, which my doubled welt cannot actually do anything about, I'm going to be using my black dye to cover it up. Now I'm just doing a proper trimming. I need you to know that you can do this at the comfort of your home. All I have done so far does not need any machine. And then with this now, I can, of course, I have already grind the edges. I use my grinding machine. You can get into the market or wherever you can see, a cobbler to help you to grind all of the edges. And I tell you, if you use your utility knife to trim it well, you should be able to actually use a fine sandpaper to smoothen all of the edges, and your son or daughter will still be able to wear it. I want you to know that PU sole normally over time expires and begin to break, and that's exactly what happened to these sneakers. This process can actually be done. This revamp can be done both on adult and children's sneakers or canvas. Yes, it can be done. Just make sure you double the welt like I said. Now you can see what it finally look like. I hope you have subscribed to this channel. If you want to actually enjoy more, I need you to subscribe, press the notification bell so that each time we publish a video, you will actually be notified. Don't forget to like this video. Please like, and I want you to join me definitely in my next video, which is going to be another amazing time. I'm going to see you next time. Bye.